Another breaking news coming in this time. The latest statement by the Ministry of External Affairs on the Ladakh standoff, where India never attempted to change the status quo along the line of actual control. This is the latest statement coming in from the Ministry of External Affairs. Remember, after the trilateral talks that actually took place between S. Jaishankar and his counterparts in China and Russia, we're looking at this latest statement now coming in from the Ministry of External Affairs. Once again, reiterating the fact that India never attempted to change the status quo. This comes at a time when China, all this while, has been claiming all of Galwan Valley, to which India has already responded by saying that it is absolutely untenable and unacceptable. Not just that, in the military level talks that are essentially taking place, even the local level, commander level talks that have been taking place, there too, India has made its stand very clear that what they are looking forward to is status quo ante. Let me go back to my colleague Tejinder. Tejinder, the latest statement as far as Ministry of External Affairs is concerned is absolutely clear. Once again, India making their position clear with regards to the fact that what exactly is the way forward. India is looking forward to status quo ante, and this is exactly what the Ministry of External Affairs had to say with regards to the line of actual control.
See, Shravan, the Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs has been continuously trying to put the blame on India, saying that India is trying to enter into the Chinese side of the line of actual control. We know from the first day, the Ministry of External Affairs has put the record straight, saying that India wants status quo ante, so that the status which existed prior to the first week of April, when this face-off started, India wants that status to be there on the ground at the line of actual control. But you see that China has been giving such statement that it is the Indian army, the Indian side, which tried to enter into the Chinese side of the line of actual control. Today also the Ministry of External Affairs has made it amply clear by stating that India never attempted to change status quo along the line of actual control with China. So this is the official statement that is coming from the Ministry of External Affairs, clearly telling that India does not believe in altering the status quo which existed there on the line of actual control prior to the month of April, when Chinese side they tried to cross over the line of actual control. The Indian Ministry of External Affairs also says that continuation of the current situation will further vitiate the atmosphere along the line of actual control. Both sides deployed troops in large number in area after Galwan Valley clash. So clearly hinting and telling the Chinese side, because Chinese side they are trying to point the allegations on the Indian side that the Indian side tried to alter the status quo, but the reality is that it is the Chinese side and India side wants the status quo ante to be there on the line of actual control with China. Yes, Shravan.
Well, thank you very much, Tejinder, for putting this into perspective. The latest statement coming in from Ministry of External Affairs. Once again, India reiterating that the status quo on the line of actual control wasn't changed by India, but perhaps it lies with the Chinese, who have tried to alter the status quo at various places along the line of actual control.